Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how to disable lock screen in your laptop. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, go ahead to these search options and then search for sign. After that, here you will get sign in options. Click on sign in options. And then here you will come to the sign in options interface. After that, you have to come over require sign in options. Then here you will get when PC wakes up or sleep. Just click on it. After that, click on never. And here you will find the option in your right side called lock screen. Just click on it. After clicking on it, scroll down and then click on screensaver settings. After that, here we will get options or interface in screensaver settings. Then click on screensaver and then click on none and then apply and then okay. Get back from here and then another time search for control panel. Click on control panel. After that, just for make it large icon, and then there is options. You get star options. Click on it. So here you will get options called choose what the power button do, and then you have to come over change setting that the currently unavailable. Click on it, and then here you will get a lock checked. Just make it unchecked, and then save changes. This all you done, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.